but you can bet it will rear its head as soon as the temperature's right, and it will expand beyond what it was this year. Hello everybody, Bob Lust, the Pond Boss. Gilstrom, what can I do to get ahead of bushy pondweed between now and when the temperature promotes growth? As you know, lots of shallow water and natural fertilization. Really, the way you can get ahead of bushy pondweed there in north central Oklahoma, Gilstrom, is with grass carp. And I'd put those in that lake, because what's going on now is the bushy pondweed is going to go dormant, but you can bet it will rear its head as soon as the temperature's right, and it will expand beyond what it was this year. So it seems like I remember that you had stocked some grass carp. If you have not done that, I'd do that. But don't do it now. Do it about the middle or latter part of March or the 1st of April. You got about a 3 or 4 week window when you need to do that. Hey, thanks for stopping by the Pond Boss YouTube channel. Be sure and share it. Click like. And by the way, Pond Boss Magazine, $35 a year, cheaper than a Friday night date, and it lasts a year. Hope you enjoyed this intel, and we got more on the horizon. Adios for now.
Hey, Mr. Pond Boss, tell me what to do to make all my Lunker Lake dreams come true.